An appliance breaks on a Sunday, and the questions start. Is it still under warranty? What's the model number? Who did we call last time? For most of us, the answers are scattered across a junk drawer, an email inbox, and a fading receipt. The home maintenance and warranty log keeps all of it in one file you own, and it does the warranty math for you. Here's the heart of it. On the Appliance and Warranty Register, you type in a purchase date and the warranty length in months. From those two numbers, the log works out when the coverage ends and flags each item automatically. In warranty, expiring soon, or expired. It checks against today's date every time you open the file, so nothing lapses without you noticing. Every repair goes in the service and repair log the day it happens. What broke, who fixed it, and what it cost. The count and the running total update on their own, so you can finally see what a system is really costing you to keep, and the next technician isn't starting from scratch. The seasonal maintenance schedule comes preloaded with 22 recurring tasks grouped by season, each with the reason it matters. Testing the smoke detectors, servicing the furnace, flushing the water heater. You just tick off what applies to your home and date it. Tie the twice-a-year jobs to the clock change weekends, and you never have to remember. The Filters and Consumables tab solves a small, constant annoyance. Write down each filter size and part number once, and reordering is never a pull the old one out guessing game again. Your exact HVAC filter, the fridge cartridge, the detector batteries, all in one place. And the Home Systems and Lifespan tab looks further ahead. Record when the roof, the furnace, and the water heater went in, and the log estimates the year to start planning a replacement. That turns your biggest home cost from a 2 a.m. emergency into a decision you can see coming and save toward. Prefer Google Sheets? You don't import anything. The download includes a Make a Copy link, click it, and the whole log lands in your Google Drive, with the warranty formulas and drop-downs already set up and tested. It works natively in Excel and LibreOffice too. And because it's a workbook, the file is yours. A manufacturer's app only knows about its own products and can lock you out or shut down. This log holds your whole home, every brand, the repairs, and the upkeep, and it's yours to keep, print, and pass on. It's an instant download, a 9-tab workbook, the one-click Google Sheets copy, and 3 PDF guides. Find the home maintenance and warranty log at ardentworkshop.com and finally know in seconds what's still covered.